7 to the dominant 7.
You got it. You got it. You do too, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the most part.
I just can't actually do it, but I understand.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's more important to understand it, you know, because you get to where you can do it, you know.
Okay, Ray, can you just go through it one more time? I'll you know, so I'll kind of record it right
I'm
here.
saying that the minor progression is 2-5-1. In a minor, it would be a minor 7 flat 5 to a dominant 7 3, dominant 7 to the 6 minor 7. That's correct. And then a regular 2-5-1 would be like in the key of C would be D minor, G7 would be 2 to the 5, to D minor to the 5 is G7 to the C major 7.
Okay.
Yeah, C major 7. That's the two that happen normally with your, and that's why you need all the 7th chords. You need those 4. So you need those 4 chords, you know, to be able to do major 7, dominant 7, minor 7, and minor 7 flat 5. You have to have those. And you can take any one of them and just alter the notes to do it. The first one, it gets from as big as it can be in a major 7. That's a stretch as far in an octave as it can possibly be. That would be, in G, it would be G, B, D, and F sharp. That's as far as you can stretch it apart. And you're going to diminish that to where it is a diminished chord. It would be like major 7, you drop one note out, it becomes a dominant 7. You drop one more note, it becomes a minor 7. You drop the 7 to half step, and it becomes a dominant 7. You drop the 3rd a half step, it becomes a minor 7. You drop the 5 a half step, it becomes a minor 7 flat 5. You drop the 7 one more time, double flat the 7, you have a diminished chord. They're all the notes now are just as tight as they can be. They're all a minor 3rd apart. And that's why they repeat like this, because they're a minor 3rd apart. They're all equidistant from where they started. And there's a formula for it. Major 7 would be a major 3rd plus a minor 3rd plus a major 3rd. Like E major 3rd, minor 3rd, major 7. That's an E major 7. And a dominant 7 is a major minor minor chord. That's major 3rd, minor 3rd, minor 3rd. A minor 7 is a minor major minor chord. That's then a major and then a minor. Minor, major, minor. It's called a minor major minor chord. And then that's right. And then the minor 7 flat 5 would be minor minor major. That's the formula for building those chords.
There's a song that goes like that, isn't there?
I beg pardon?
You know, I said there's a song that uses that progression.
Oh, yeah.
Hey guys, there's some grub on the stove if you're hungry.
Yeah. So that's the formula for
Thanks,
making
Al.
those 4 chords.
Okay.
And if the last one would be all minor, would be minor, 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 minor. That's as compressed as you can get. Because the chords are built on 3rds, you can't compress them any more than minor 3rds. That's as far as they'll go. So when you've moved all the notes to a minor 3rd, they become a diminished chord. That's what happens. That's how you get those.
So what is when they call it augmented? What is augmented?
That is just a dominant 7 with the 5 raised. 1, 7, 3, 5. Plus chord or augmented chord is any chord.
That's only in a dominant 7.
Well,